Royal Global University 2025.
But there's careers like medicine or...
For last 3 days during my vacation, I have to prepare.
I said, how do we make this even more impactful?
Value of diamond. There are 3 S's.
The Assam Royal Global University RGU recently hosted a successful TEDx event called TEDxRoyalGlobalUniversity with the theme Original by Nature. The event brought together creative, authentic and transformative ideas. Bambi Kevichüsa, a celebrated fashion designer from Nagaland, talked about how she blends Nagaland's cultural heritage with global styles, making her bridal design both authentic and elegant.
Christian bridal dresses that are very Western.
My mom's room, the lace curtains that she would put up very nicely, take them down and make them into clothes to dress up my cousin sisters who would be my brides.
Devajit Saikia, the Advocate General of Assam and Secretary of the BCCI, gave a gripping talk about his diverse career journey from cricket and law to sports administration. He stressed the importance of passion and discipline.
Lovely sketches. I said, what is TEDx? It is my misfortune that I did not know about TEDx. I know everybody knows it, but I am very unfortunate that I did not know what exactly is TEDx.
Ranjit Borthakur, a notable social entrepreneur, shared insights from his decades of work focused on environmental sustainability and community empowerment in the Eastern Himalayas, highlighting the need for responsible development.
Every year, and we recognize people from the Northeast only. And last year, imagine Manipur with all its hassles. We gave the Lifetime Award to a person who has found 120 species of fish never discovered in the world.
Nise Meruno, an international renowned concert pianist, spoke about how music connects people across the world through emotion and originality. A deeply emotional moment happened when Nise Meruno performed a moving tribute to the legendary Assamese musician Jubin Garg for the first time. Meruno played the notation score of Garg's popular song Mayabini on the piano, captivating the audience. Satyaki Dikom Bhuyan, the lead curator, mentioned that organizing the TEDx event was a great responsibility and rewarding experience. He described TEDx as a wonderful platform for sharing natural, original and bold ideas. The event successfully showcased how the unique landscapes and diversity of Northeast India spark creativity and thought leadership, celebrating voices that dare to think differently. News Desk, Hope News.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo thai na skang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan singni samtang na namja. Anda kapa toko chaani chi dengtang sabis ko manama. Yanda kapa thorang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, soe gala, arunala rango pake gala. Neba daude, ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakal gen. Unigaman sengbo, antang ni BNB mang arunang ni samtang ko name rakibo.